magic ring, you're going to take your loose piece of yarn and lay it in front of your index finger, middle finger, and ring finger. You're going to continue to wrap it behind those 3 fingers and bring it up in front of those same 3 fingers. When you bring it up to the front, cross it in the front to make an X. Now turn your fingers down and cross it behind those 3 fingers again. And secure it between your ring finger and your pinky. From here, flip your hand down and grab your crochet hook. These 2 lines should not be crossed. Place your crochet hook under the first line and hook the second line into your crochet hook and pull it up. Now twist your crochet hook and grab that same piece of yarn, the line that's behind, pick it up and pull it through the loop that's now on your hook. Now place your index finger here and remove your fingers out of the circle. And this is your magic ring. You can crochet in the round now into your magic circle. To close your magic circle, simply pull on the loose end of the yarn and it will close it shut.